Unveiling crypto affiliate offers. The basics explained. Crypto affiliate offers are a way to earn. You partner with a crypto company. You promote their products or services. Think of exchanges, wallets, or new tokens. When someone buys through your referral, you receive a commission. It is a form of performance-based marketing. Many businesses in the crypto space use it. This helps them reach more people and grow their customer base efficiently. You join an affiliate program and get a unique tracking link. Share this link on your website, blog, or social media. When someone clicks your link and completes an action, you earn. Almost anyone with an online presence can become a crypto affiliate. If you are passionate about digital currencies and can communicate ideas clearly, you can explore becoming an affiliate. Cracking the code. Understanding commission structures. Understanding commission structures is vital. This is precisely how you will earn money. Different affiliate programs offer varied pay. You must fully comprehend these differences before you dedicate time to promotion. This helps you choose offers that align with your earning expectations. There are several common types of commissions. CPA, or cost per acquisition, is frequent. This means you get paid for a sale, or when a new user makes a deposit. CPL, or cost per lead, is another. Here you earn for every qualified sign-up. Rev share, or revenue share, is also popular. You get an ongoing percentage of the revenue generated by your referred customers. Commission rates can vary significantly. Some offers might provide modest payouts, while others can be very generous. For example, a crypto exchange might offer a small percentage of trading fees, but this can accumulate over many trades. A new crypto project launching a token might offer a larger one-time payment. Getting paid. Navigating payment methods and terms. The method of payment is very important. You have put in the effort. You have earned your commissions. Now, you need to receive your funds. The payment method should be convenient. It must also be secure and reliable. Some methods deliver payments quickly. Others might involve longer waiting periods. Always check this aspect before committing. What are the common payment methods used? Traditional bank transfers are an option. However, this is the crypto industry, so payments in cryptocurrencies are prevalent. Bitcoin, Ethereum, or various stablecoins such as Tether or USD Coin. PayPal is sometimes available as well, but it is generally less common for purely crypto-focused affiliate programs. Cryptocurrency payments are usually faster. They often come with lower transaction fees. This is especially true for international affiliates. Bank transfers, conversely, can be slower and they might incur higher processing charges. Consider payment frequency and minimum thresholds. Understanding these terms is crucial so you know when to expect your funds. Section 4. Tools of the trade. Leveraging promotional resources. What exactly are promotional resources? These are essentially marketing tools. The affiliate program provides them to you. Their purpose is to help you promote the company's products or services effectively. Good quality resources make your job easier. They can significantly improve your conversion rates. What types of resources are typically provided? Banners of various sizes are very common. You can place these on your website. Unique, trackable text links are fundamental. Some programs offer pre-written articles or content templates, email swipe files for your newsletters, ready-made social media posts and creatives. Sometimes you might get access to videos or informative infographics and landing pages. Professionally designed marketing materials often perform much better than amateur ones. They also help ensure brand consistency and the dissemination of accurate information. This consistency builds trust with your audience and strengthens your relationship with the company. Section 5. Reading between the lines. The importance of terms and conditions. Why are the terms and conditions so crucial? The T&Cs document is your formal agreement. It is the contract between you, the affiliate, and the company running the program. It clearly outlines all the rules of engagement. Ignoring these terms can lead to problems. You might risk forfeiting your hard-earned commissions or, in severe cases, even getting banned. So, always read them thoroughly. What key details should you look for in T&Cs? Specifics about commission rates and how they are calculated and paid. Payment terms, including frequency and thresholds. Cookie duration is another important factor. This dictates how long your affiliate link remains active after a user clicks it. Look for restrictions on promotional methods. For example, rules against using certain keywords or bidding on the company's brand terms in ads. Many programs do not allow promotion through unsolicited email or spam. Some programs restrict promotion in specific countries due to local regulations or company policy. Violating any of these established rules will almost certainly lead to negative consequences. Section 6. Smart choices. Selecting the best crypto affiliate offer for you. Always try to align offers with your audience. What are your audience's primary interests? Are they mostly crypto beginners or experienced traders and investors? Promote products and services they will genuinely use and find valuable. Do not just chase the highest commissions. Relevance is often far more important for achieving sustainable long-term success. This approach also builds lasting trust. Thoroughly research the company's reputation. Is the company behind the offer trustworthy? Do they have positive user reviews online? Promoting a substandard or dubious product will reflect poorly on you. Even if the commission offered seems attractive, protect your own hard-earned reputation first. Choose to promote legitimate, quality projects. Evaluate the level of support offered. Does the affiliate program have a dedicated manager? Can you easily get assistance when you need it? Good, responsive support is incredibly valuable. Check for comprehensive FAQs and clear contact options. Strong support often indicates a well-run program. Finally, test, track, and compare different offers. Experiment with a few options to see which converts best. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to sustained affiliate success.